Welcome everyone, I'm Jordan and this is my CS50 final project called Your Spotlight. It's a program that allows you to access your personal Spotify account, extract certain metadata, and present it to you. In its current iteration, the data grabbed are your top 5 artists ever listened to and your top 10 songs ever listened to. It uses Spotify's web APIs that they provide for free for personal use in projects such as this. All you need to get started is a Spotify account, which you would use to log into the Spotify for Developers portal, where you'll need to create an app, and this is where you would grab your client ID and client secret. These keys are needed for authorization and get thrown into a .env file, each on their separate lines. These are the only two libraries you need to install, and in the code we will load those keys and then request for an authorization code. From there it goes to the API endpoint, which is this URL, and with this header appended to it. This header needs to be base64 encoded string, which will open up a web browser and that will give you your authorization code. From there you'll then get an access token that will be used to grab the necessary data, and down here these lines just grab the data that we want, as there's a lot of metadata included in these JSON requests. So we'll just run it. Grab our code, which is in the address bar, and paste it into the console. And as you can see, I apparently don't stray too far away from comfort.